Hello, I'm Helen Howes, and like a lot of little old ladies, I never go anywhere without my laptop under my arm. Sadly, laptop covers are frightfully boring, so I made myself a rather nice one, and this is it. I also made it in rather dark colours because sometimes it's very nice to make things for the men in your life, and they do have a tendency to like boy colours. So I shall take my laptop out and show you this sleeve. I'm really keen on simple improvised blocks. So I made pairs of blocks, one plain and one crossed. And for this one, I joined them very nicely, lining up the seams beautifully, and I sewed them together, right sides together. And for this little Kindle sleeve, I made 6 pairs of blocks. So that's nice and easy. And I sewed them all together into a nice long strip. I do think they would also work very well with a dark cross in a light ground. But there we go. And then for my own examples here, I picked myself a lovely rainbow because I do like rainbows. So nice.